Hi, Dana Gray with Gray Group Real Estate here. Are you worried that your house needs too much work in order to sell? Is the roof on its last leg? Does the interior need new paint? Is your deck a little tired, maybe needs to be redone? Are there some soft spots and some wood around the exterior of your home? Does the house need a deep clean to look presentable? Friends, it's okay. We've heard this numerous times throughout our career, and we understand. It's tough to know where to start and where to put your money to make sure you get that money back when you do sell your house. It's even tougher to actually get it done. Did you know that the Gray Group has its own concierge package for sellers just like you? After we've observed your home, we determine the most important tasks to complete, and we have a team of professionals whom we know and we trust come in and help ease the stress of your many honey-do task items. Whether it's painting, cleaning, large projects like maybe a new roof, we've got your back. We want to do everything in our power to help you get the most money for your home, and we don't want you to be overwhelmed in the process. So let us know how we can help. Reach out to the Gray Group to learn more about our concierge service, and remember, the Gray Group's got you covered.